Welcome back guys, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to change Facebook password very quickly. And this is the most common things, and most of the viewers are already knowing this. Who are not knowing, if they know the current password or they have forgotten it, then how to retrieve it. So I will quickly cover in this video. So if you are new to the channel and like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. So just go to the Facebook, tap on 3 horizontal lines, setting and privacy, then setting, then show more in account centers, then password and security. Here change password. So now select the account. Now you have to enter the current password. Here you can enter the new password what you want, re-enter the new password, and if you have forgotten your password, just forgot your password, and then select it and continue. Then the password will be sent on the email. It will send the email. Facebook will send the email, and in that email you can get the password. So this is what I wanted to tell you, how to change the password if you are knowing the current password, and if you have forgotten, how you can retrieve it via email. So if you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.